What happens to your body when you use steroids? Anabolic steroids, also known as roids or juice, are artificial substances used by gym rates and professional bodybuilders who aren't happy with their natural muscle growth. Many professional athletes looking to advance in their sport will also take steroids, even though many athlete associations have banned the use of PEDs. When someone starts taking steroids, they may notice a gain in muscle strength and size, improved recovery, and lower inflammation. These gains allow them to work out harder and more often to gain more strength and mass than their bodies would do naturally. These drugs can be a fast track to bigger muscles and better performance, but they come with many side effects and consequences. The biggest side effect of steroid use is the body stops naturally producing testosterone since it is getting more than enough with the drugs. So when someone decides to stop taking steroids, they'll experience a hormone crash. This crash will produce withdrawal symptoms similar to any drug abuse like depression, headaches, anxiety, loss of appetite, nausea, and more. Not only this, but long-term abuse of steroids could result in